Workers employed in different government departments on temporary and contract basis who are on an indefinite hunger strike opposite the captain of ports in Panjim have been directed to move to Azad Maidan as the government imposed Section 144 in Panjim.
Around 800 such workers had begun their indefinite hunger strike from the 1st of December and were sitting opposite the Captain of Ports building, demanding their immediate regularization in services as well as a raise in the salary. Speaking to the media, President of the Goa Recruitment and Employment Employees Union, Ajit Singh Rani, said that they had received an illegal order to vacate the place and had said that their agitation was largely peaceful and non-violent.
We have received this order. This is the illegal order. This order is issued not under a discretion, because this order prima facie seems to be issued under discretion. But if it is under discretion, then the discretion should have been exercised judiciously. And when, in view of the violation of the principle of natural justice, hearing the side of the public, hearing the side of the representatives of the organizations who are staging peaceful dharnas and agitational activities, when they are not heard, this is not a legal order.
So are you ready to vacate this place or not?
We are right from the beginning, unlike members of the minister, MLAs of the Bharatiya Janata Party, we are not a violators of a law. The moment the order is passed, we will be challenging this. But as one now, we have to either obey this order or we have to disobey this order.
Right.
My strike is a non-violent. My strike is a peaceful. And I am doing this above the partisan politics, above any ideologies, because this is a part of a resistance politics. And as a volunteer of the resistance politics, I will be believing in this order. And as a result, I have decided to take a morcha to Azad Maidan and to continue my indefinite hunger strike.